They call him Flipper, Flipper, faster than lightning. No one is smarter.
Yeah, so like there's my balcony in the workshop, and the reading chair, and televisions, and the books, and the rowboat. And the Lord said to Noah, "Build me an ark." And Noah said to the Lord, have you seen the price of gopher wood? Have you seen the price of gopher wood?
Our laddies, this here boat, it's not made out of gopher wood. Have you seen the prices of gopher wood? This is made out of beaver plastic. Beaver plastic is when you have a plastic and any darn thing touches it, it gnaws a big hole in it like a beaver. That's what we got here. If you're brave enough and man enough to face the sea in a beaver plastic boat, this is the boat for you, laddie. No gopher wood. Have you seen the prices of gopher wood?
Uh-oh. Looks like somebody's been in the house too long. Undersea boat. Flipper, Flipper. Doo doo doo. Oh my goodness. Well, we'll find out.